Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I've already got my makeup done today, so I'm going to be doing a review and a first impressions on the new Huda Beauty Bronze Sands 3D highlighting palette. So with the highlighting palette, it did only come out a few weeks ago, so it is something that is brand new. I haven't actually used and I haven't actually got any of the Huda Beauty highlighter palettes before, so this is my first time using one of her highlighting palettes, so I'm very excited to actually try this. I'm going to get straight in with the video. I'm going to show you guys what the palette looks like. So this is the palette here. One thing I do love about this palette as well is it's got the reflective highlighting on her face on the shadow, so I love that about the palette. I'm going to show you it just now so that you guys can see. See, look at that. So the reason as well that I got the Bronze Sands highlighting palette compared to all the other ones that she's had before is this one is particularly for medium and dark skin, so I wanted to try it on myself to see how it looks on me, and also try it for you guys as well, so that you guys can sort of see whether it match your skin type or your skin tone, and if so, then maybe you can get it yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of the palette now. So that's the 4 shades that are in the palette. They are quite goldeny, rose gold colours, so I'm excited to actually see how these will look on the face. The golden one I'm hoping it isn't too golden, but as well, I'll show you this as well on the palette. It actually shows you how to use each colour and what it's for, so I'll just show you that just now. So with the highlighter, I was just going to apply it myself and sort of see how it looks, but then I only have 2 cheekbones, so I don't know how I would apply the other 2 since there are 4, and I don't really want to remove my makeup and then do it again, so I'm just going to see, I'm going to sort of see how it goes and show you guys how it looks. So I'm going to get in with the video just now. Okay, so with the palette as well, it is actually a cream highlighters, it's not powders, so I'm just trying to figure out how to apply it. First, I am just going to swatch it on my arm so that you guys can see what each one looks like. This palette feels extremely creamy, like just the first one that I went in with, Barbados, it feels really creamy. So the first one we have is Barbados, Maldives, Aruba, and Bora Bora. Okay, so as I said, I'm not really sure how to apply these because it is a cream highlighter. So I'm just going to go see how it goes. So I'm going to go in with Barbados, which is the first shade, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbone here. I mean, even though this one, it does say apply it as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So I don't know whether you're supposed to put this on before foundation or, it's not really clear on how to do it, as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Because it even says dab Maldives from cheeks to temple to set and bring it out the pop. So I don't know if you're supposed to put them one on top of each other. Shall we try that? So Aruba is supposed to go on as a contour, and Bora Bora is supposed to go on to your cheeks for a healthy glow. I'm really not sure how this is okay, I'm just gonna, I don't even know whether to do this with a brush or I don't know if it will work with a brush. I'm gonna try it with a brush. Brush isn't working. Okay, so I'm gonna move, it kind of did work. Okay, I'm gonna do it with my finger so that it's better. And I'm just gonna dab it in, and I'm gonna go in with Barbados. Okay, that is bright. Now with this, it is how I thought it was going to be. It's very golden, And I'm not sure if I like gold. I'm not sure if I like it. It's very, very golden. But it definitely is popping and it's looking very nice. I just don't know if it's for me. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Maldives. And I feel like this one is going to look slightly nicer just because it is a lighter. It's not too golden. So I feel like this one is going to look nicer on. The one thing I will say about this is I've literally dipped into that and it's like crumbling away. It's creamy, but it's really crumbly as well, which is not nice. It's quite annoying. So I don't even know. I can't even dab it off my finger. Okay, I'm going to go in with Maldives. Wrong area. Okay. I did not think that much was going to come off my finger. Okay, if I thought the other one was gold, I'd put way too much on there. Okay, I need to fix this. That is way too gold. That looks so bad. Okay, so I've calmed it down slightly. I thought this one was gold. This one's actually quite nice compared to this one. This one is too gold. So far, Barbados over Maldives. Now this is where I'm getting confused because for Aruba, it says under the cheekbone to add dimension and shape. So I don't know whether... Okay. You know what? We're going to try this. What the? I'm going to try and fix this. And that kind of works as like a contour. I'm confused. Okay, this is meant to be a highlighting palette and I'm just so confused at how this is working. It's telling you 4 different ways to use this. This one is basically acting as a contour, which I am so confused about. I'm going to do the same on the other side to sort of even it out. Even though I feel like I've already contoured, I need to even this out a little bit. Okay, even though this is a highlighting palette, this is working really nice as a contour. Like, it definitely adds dimension and depth. Especially sitting like underneath the highlight, it looks really nice. So the last shade is called Bora Bora. And I've just got makeup on me. And for step 4, it says sweep Bora Bora on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. It's almost like some of them are more creamier than the others. So it's a blusher. An extremely pink blusher. I don't understand this palette. I really don't understand what's going on and how this is supposed to work. This says 3D highlighting palette. Can you see that? 3D highlighting palette. And this is telling me to prep, set, sculpt, and flush. What? This is not a highlighting palette. I'm going to try this Bora Bora on my nose and see how it looks. What is that? Seriously, what is that? I prefer Maldives on my nose. So I've just changed it up. Okay guys. Overall, I think it's best to say that I'm confused. I do like the highlighting palette. I do like 2 of the colours in the palette. Overall, it's okay. It's not amazing. It's not the best. If it's supposed to be something more than a highlighting palette, I feel like that should have been stated, because Aruba as a highlighter, Aruba as a highlighter, I think that you'll know when I put that on my cheek, it did not look like a highlighter. That looked like a contour or a bronzer or something, but that was not a highlighter. So overall, it's okay. I'm not as impressed as I thought I would have been. It's okay. I can't say that it is my new favourite highlighter, so that's just my opinion on it, guys. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.